Yo guys, what is up? In this video I'm going to show you how you can jailbreak iOS 16, the one which has just been released guys. This is a mad jailbreak. I can't believe this is actually out already. So guys, I already showed you a video of how to get iOS 16 guys, and now I'm going to show you how you can get Cydia on iOS 16 guys. So yes, this is the real app. I'm not joking about here. This is actually Cydia on iOS 16. So what you need to do first of all is go over to settings guys, and you want to go to general, background app refresh, and make sure it's on Wi-Fi and mobile data like so. Once you've done that guys, you want to go before you do that guys, you want to make sure you have low power mode off. As you can see I do. To turn low power mode off, just go down to battery and make sure it's off, and then go to general, background app refresh, blah blah blah. The main reason is because you cannot turn on background app refresh without having low power mode disabled. Okay guys, let's go to the next step. So you want to go to Safari, simply search up Cydia, and Cydia iOS 16, just click download. So once you will download Cydia guys, like, you don't have to go through the actual whole jailbreaking process, you know, the part which like can possibly brick your phone or lose or corrupt data. You don't have to go through that stage. All you have to do is just straight get Cydia guys, the app on your phone. That is all you have to do guys, and you can download the modded apps from there. If you want to do more jailbreak tweaks, like I don't know what you're really into, then you will have to do a proper like computer jailbreak. But this way here will just get you Cydia apps, etc. So you can get like hack games and free apps and stuff, or like I don't know, whatever you want to do on Cydia or on a jailbreak. You'll find out for yourself what you can and can't do anyway once you guys are exploring. But just click let's go when you get to that screen guys, then you're going to get taken to here, and all you want to do is just follow the instructions. So it's telling me to download CoinMaster here and install it for 30. So download and install, then run the app for 30 seconds. Let's click let's go. We'll go ahead, click continue, and download this app to our device guys. So once this app does download, all we have to do is open it for 30 seconds guys, if you remember correctly. And as you can see there we have CoinMaster. So just open it up for 30 seconds, blah blah blah. Go back to Safari guys, and you want to go over to here, this page again, click next app. So it'll bring you to the next application which you have to download, which is Norton Secure VPN. Now guys, it may differ for you, you may get different apps to download, that's perfectly fine. Just download whatever you've been given guys, but this one here is the exact same instructions as the last app. Download and install, and then run it for 30 seconds. So let's click let's go, continue, and we will download the app to our device guys. So as you can see, it is now downloaded. We'll go ahead and open it up. Like I said before, just simply sit here for like 30 seconds guys or so, that's all you have to do, and then exit the app, go back to Safari, go back to this page again, click next app, and as you can see guys, for me it says all done. The app should now install in a moment. Thank you for using our service. If you experience any issues, you can tap the button below to retry. So yeah guys, that's how you jailbreak your phone and get Cydia on iOS 16. I never thought you could actually be able to jailbreak iOS 16 this quickly, but you know, it did happen. But anyway guys, I hope you did all enjoy this video. If you did, be sure to leave a like, comment down below and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video. Peace.